I'm here for the pool party.
And did you bring Elsa? And a present? Come on in!
Okay. Mom.
Who else is here?
Hi, I'm here for the pool party.
Fun!
I got a present.
Yay, come in!
Okay. Right here, right?
Yeah!
Okay. I wonder who's gonna arrive next. Let me go see. Present for me?
I brought you a present for your birthday.
Oh. And I'm turning 7.
So fun. Can we go inside?
Yeah. Another friend coming. Let's go check out the door.
Yay!
You want? You can play with this little Beanie Boo. Oh, hello! Welcome to my birthday party. Did you bring presents? Yeah. And I'll take them, please. I'll go bring it to my table. Come on, you bring the other one. What do you want to do first? Because we have a pool, we have goodie bags, we can open presents, or we can... We have this, Mom. We have this. I think open presents. Me too, me too, me too.
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna open this one first. Let me see what's in here. Whoa. Oh, look, a new Beanie Boo. I like that. It's so cute. Hey. Ooh, and a book. Ooh, cool. Maybe I can make butterflies. Look, Mama. Okay, now let's see what else is in here. Wow, I got a new robot. I can make that. Cool. Now, let's see what else I got. A watch, a Poppy watch. Cool. I never got that before and I really wanted it. Cool. Where's Chuck? Okay, let's see. Wait, there's one more thing. What is this? Sunscreen? Mom, I got lotion. It's a fire truck, a monster truck, and something else. I don't know what it is. But it's cool. I love that. Oh, cool. Thank you. Let me see what's in it. No, that's for Elsa. Cool.
No. That's from Elsa.
Cool. That's so cool. Thank you. Look at Elsa. Cool. Another Beanie Boo. That's cool. I'm going to put it right there. Oh, and another Beanie Boo. 2 giraffes. A baby spoon. Cool. got this. I got this. I got a little Gemmies. And a My Little Pony. Can I open it? Okay. And I got My Little Pony. And Barbie. And a superhero. Okay, I hope I get Fluttershy. Let's see. Mama, open mine. I did get Fluttershy. Mama, open mine. Cool. Fluttershy is so cute. She's Mama, open mine. Super hard to open. Okay, I wonder what superhero I got. That's the one I wanted! Yes! That's the one I wanted. Because I always want to open these. What is this?
Superhero.
Superhero, and I don't know what its name is, but it's cute. Okay, now I'm gonna open this. Let's see. Whoa! Who is this? The doctor. Cool. Okay, now I'm gonna open this one. Wonder what's inside. Oops, that was easy. Okay, let's see what I got. Rainbow Dash again! Cool! 2 Rainbow Dashes. And now this one. And this one too. Whoa! I actually opened it. Whoa! Wonder Woman. Now I need to open this.